Hi 10th class students. In the last class we discussed the problem number 9, example 9, page number 2654. Today we are going to discuss exercise 10.2. The first problem in this exercise, let us hear children. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere. Diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. Use pi is equal to 3.14. This is combination of solid, a cone mounted on a hemisphere. So how like it is? Have see, let us see. This is hemisphere. A cone surmounted on it. This is the shape of the toy. Okay, listen, what are given? The diameter of base and height of the cone are 6 and 4 respectively. Diameter of base, this is height, this is diameter of base. So, D is equal to 6 centimeters implies R is equal to D by 2, that is 3 centimeters. Now height is 4 centimeter, H is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the surface area of the toy. So we need to find CSA of the cone and CSA of hemisphere. How like it will be coming for us? One time see. Solution. Diameter of cone D is equal to 6 centimeters implies radius of the cone R is equal to D by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3 centimeters. This is radius of the cone. Now height of the cone is H is equal to 4 centimeter. When we know the radius and the height of the cone, slant height will be obtained to us. How like the slant height will be obtained? So therefore slant height is equal to slant height of the cone. L is equal to square root of H square plus R square, children. That is square root of H value, already you know that H value is 4 centimeter, that is 4 square plus R value is 3 square. Square root of 16 plus 9, which is root 25. 25 can be written as 5 square. So that 5 square and square roots are cancelled, 5 centimeters. Now, so CSA of the cone formula pi r L. Similarly, CSA of the hemisphere is, CSA is nothing but, that is surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So that final ga ఒకేసారి కనుక్కుందామండి. Therefore CSA of the toy is equal to CSA of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. That is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Here we have to take pi r as common factor. At that case, how much will be obtained to us? One time see. That is, take pi r as common factor, L plus 2r. Pi value already given in the textbook, 3.14 like that. Into r is how much? 3. L value already we find here. L value is 5. 5 plus 2 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 remainder, 3 1 is 3, 4, 3 3s are 9, 9.42 into 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, multiply with 11, 11 2s are 22, 2 remainder, 11 4s are 44, 46, 4 remainder, 11 9s are 99, 99 plus 4, 103, 103.62 centimeters square. This is the CSA of the toy children. This is the first problem in the exercise, and it goes through the, take a screenshot of this one. Afterwards we will go through the second problem. Now in the second problem, a solid in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at other end. ఒక సిలిండర్కి ఒక సైడ్ వచ్చేసి హెమిస్పియర్ ఉంది, ఇంకో సైడ్ వచ్చేసి కోన్ ఉంది. ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కామన్ బేస్ ఈస్ 8 centimeter and the height of the cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the total surface area of the solid. So first of all, read the problem. Using the data, just we have to draw a rough sketch, rough diagram only. Let us see children. This is cylinder. For this cylinder, one end is hemisphere, the other end is cone. This is the shape of the combination of solid. Cylinder is there, one end is hemisphere, the other end is cone. Okay, what are the dimensions of the combination of object? The common radius is 8 centimeter. This is R is equal to 8 centimeter. The heights of cylindrical and conical portions are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This height is H1 is 10 centimeter. This height is 6 centimeters. H2 is 6 centimeters. What is the total surface area of the combination of solid? So how like we need to find the TSA, total surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of cylinder plus CSA of the cone. Okay children, how like it will be happens, one time see here. Now solution, common radius, that means the radius of hemisphere, radius of cylinder and radius of cone are equal. Common radius R is equal to how many centimeters? 8 centimeters. Next, height of cone. Height of a cone, that is H2, is 6 centimeters. When we know the radius and height, slant height will be obtained to us. Therefore, slant height is equal to formula L is equal to square root of H square plus R square. But in place of H here we write H2, that is H2 square plus R square. Square root of 6 square plus 8 square. 6 6 are 36 plus 8 square is 64. 8 square value is 64. Finally, the value is root 100. 100 square root is 10 square, that is 10 centimeters. This is slant height of the cone. So, automatically CSA of the cone is formula pi r L. CSA of cylinder 2 pi r H. CSA of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. So, finally, directly goes through the total surface area of the toy or object is CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus surface area of hemisphere. So finally, write the solution. CSA of cone formula pi r L. Simple calculation, children. Very simple calculation. If you know the formula A, without formula we can't helpless. We are helpless. So properly read the formula. And CSA of cylinder formula 2 pi r H. And CS surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Add the 3. What is the common here? Pi r is common for us. Pi r bracket L plus pi r come to outside 2H plus pi come to outside 1r come to outside. This is 2r. Pi value is given or not here? Here also given pi value 3.14. 3.14 into r value is 8. L value already we find here 10. 2 into H1. H1 means height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is how much? 10 centimeter. 2r, 2 into 8. This is the calculation. 3.14 into 8 4s are 32. 3 remainder. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 remainder. 8 3s are 24, 25. Into 10 plus 20 plus 16. 25.12 into, add this value, 10 plus 20, 30, 46. 25.12 multiplied with 46, we get the surface area of, total surface area of the toy, combination of solid. This is the problem number 2, children. So, practice these 2 problems in the same pattern. The third problem is little bit confusion but not harder. Here in the third problem, see all of you, diagram also given in the problem number 3, page number 255. The height of the cylindrical portion of a medical capsule in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stacked to each ends. The length of the capsule is 14 mm, width is 5. Find the surface area. The length of the capsule is 14 mm, that is total length of the medical capsule. Try to do this one, otherwise tomorrow I will say this problem. Okay children, bye.